What if I told you that the smartest tiny house purchase aren't the expensive gadgets everyone shows off online? It's the upgrades that quietly save you thousands of dollars, eliminate, all the daily frustrations and make a tiny home feel twice as large. And the truth is that living in a tiny house isn't about cramming expensive technology into a small space. It's about making every dollar and every square inch work harder than it would in a traditional home. And the right purchase, improve the comfort and reduce the maintenance, increase the storage, lower the utility costs, and make everyday life easier. While the wrong one wastes precious room and quickly become expensive regrets. And if you're planning a tiny house, building one, or looking to improve the one you already own, these are some of the smartest investments you can make. And first, prioritize high quality insulation. It isn't flashy, but it affects nearly everything. Better insulation keeps your home warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, lowers heating and cooling costs, and reduces that condensation. It makes the space quieter. Spray foam or high performance rigid insulation may cost more upfront, but over the years, it pays for itself through the energy savings and the improved comfort. Next comes an energy efficient windows. Cheap windows leak heat, create the drafts, and allows the moisture problems to develop. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity coatings help regulate the indoor temperatures while bringing in the natural light that makes the space feel larger. And natural light is one of the easiest ways to make a tiny house seem open instead of cramped. Another smart purchase is a quality mini split heating and cooling system. These systems are incredibly efficient, providing both heat and air conditioning, operating quietly, and consume far less electricity than traditional HVAC equipment. And for many tiny homeowners, a properly sized mini split becomes one of the most appreciated investments they ever make. Water management is another area where smart spending pays off. Installing a high quality water filtration system protects plumbing fixtures, improves that drinking water, and reduces the need for bottled water. And if you're off grid or traveling, dependable filtration becomes even more valuable. Pair that with durable plumbing components instead of the cheapest fittings available because, repairing water damage inside a tiny home can become expensive very quickly. And storage should never be treated as an afterthought. Custom storage solutions built specifically for your layout almost always outperform generic furniture. And think drawers beneath stairs, hidden compartments inside benches, cabinets extending to the ceiling, or pull out pantry shelves and under bed storage. And every unused cavity represents wasted space that could eliminate clutter elsewhere. Furniture should perform multiple jobs whenever possible. A sofa that converts into a guest bed, a dining room table that folds into the wall, ottomans with hidden storage, or a desk that transforms into a workspace and dining area all maximize the flexibility without making the home feel crowded. Buying cheap furniture often means replacing it sooner, so durable, multifunctional pieces usually deliver better long term value. And speaking of durability, investment is quality flooring. Invest in that quality flooring. Tiny homes experience concentrated roof traffic and foot traffic because everyone walks across the same limited pathways every day. Waterproof luxury vinyl plank flooring has become popular because it resists the scratches, the moisture, and the daily wear while remaining lightweight enough for mobile tiny homes. It's also easy to clean, which becomes important in compact living spaces where dirt spreads quickly. And kitchen purchases deserve careful consideration too, because every appliance occupies valuable room. Compact doesn't necessarily mean sacrificing functionality. And combination microwave convection ovens, two burner induction cooktops, and apartment sized refrigerators and deep single basin sinks often outperform oversized traditional appliances in tiny homes. Induction cooking also produces less excessive heat, improves that energy efficiency, and offers excellent temperature control. And one purchase many owners never regret is a high quality mattress. Since your bedroom is usually compact, your bed becomes one of the most frequently used pieces of furniture in the house. Better sleep improves every aspect of your daily life, making this one of the smartest places to avoid cutting corners. And good ventilation is another overlooked investment. Exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms help remove that moisture before mold becomes a problem. And roof vents with automatic rain sensors continue ventilating even during storms, improving indoor air quality year round. And moisture control is especially important because tiny houses have much less interior air volume than in traditional homes. And lighting also deserves more attention efficient than many people realize. LED lighting uses very little electricity while producing excellent brightness. Installing layered lighting with ceiling lights and under cabinet lighting, reading lights, and dimmers allows the same room to serve multiple purposes throughout the day without feeling harsh or gloomy. And smart lighting controls add convenience without requiring expensive home automation systems. And if your budget allows, investing in solar readiness can save significant money later. Even if you don't install solar panels immediately, having conduit, wiring, breakers, capacity, and roof paneling planning completely during construction makes future upgrades far less expensive. Planning ahead almost always costs less than remodeling afterwards. And the same philosophy applies to your battery storage. If off grid living is part of your long term plan, exterior storage is another purchase that dramatically improves that daily life. Waterproof storage boxes, locking compartments, and organized utility spaces keep seasonal equipment, tools, hoses, outdoor gear, and maintenance supplies out of your limited living area. And keeping clutter outside instantly makes that interior feel larger and more relaxing. Don't overlook your entryway either. A simple bench with shoe storage, coat hooks, and a small shelf prevents one of the biggest sources of daily messes. And tiny homes become cluttered surprisingly fast with jackets, shoes, backpacks, and bags that have no designated location. Another smart purchase is a quality ladder or a staircase, depending on your loft design. And if you're climbing into a loft every day, comfort and safety matters. A sturdy staircase with built in storage often becomes one of the most practical upgrades available, especially for full time living. And technology can also simplify tiny house living when chosen carefully. Smart thermostats, leak detectors, smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, and energy monitor systems help prevent expensive problems while improving efficiency. Leak sensors planted beneath sinks, behind washing machines, and near water heaters can alert you before minor leaks become major repairs. And one investment that pays dividends every single day is organization. Drawer dividers, stackable containers, pantry organizers, magnetic knife holders, um, spice racks, cable management systems, and labeled storage bins may seem minor individually, but together they dramatically improve how efficiently your home functions. And with everything has a dedicated place, cleaning becomes faster and daily routines become less stressful. And finally, perhaps the smartest purchase isn't a product at all, but buying quality once instead of replacing cheap items repeatedly. Tiny houses they magnify every inconvenience because you're constantly interacting with every object around you. Cheap cabinet hinges, weak drawer sliders, flimsy faucets, noisy fans, and poorly built furniture become daily annoyances that slowly reduce your enjoyment of the space. And spending slightly more on dependable products often provides years of that reliable service while reducing the maintenance and replacement costs. The smartest tiny house isn't the one filled with the most gadgets or the highest price tag. It's the one where every purchase serves a clear purpose, saves space, improves that comfort, increases the efficiency, and stands the test of time. And before buying anything, ask yourself three questions. Will this space save time? Will it make daily life easier? Will it still be useful 5 years from now? If the answer is yes to all three, you're probably making a smart investment. Tiny house living rewards thoughtful decisions, and when every purchase earns its place, even a few hundred square feet can feel comfortable, organized, efficient, and surprisingly luxurious. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found value in today's video, please subscribe. We're looking to grow this channel, and without you, we can't do that. So I'd appreciate a subscription if you would. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.